Imagine this. You are traveling to a completely new city, like Paris, and suddenly you realize you won't have any cell signal or Wi-Fi. You are completely disconnected. Don't panic. Welcome back to Phone Transformer. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Google Maps completely offline. You will get full turn-by-turn directions without using a single drop of mobile data. Let's dive right in and set this up before your next big trip. Alright, let's grab our phones and open up the Google Maps app. Let's pretend I am planning that trip to the beautiful city of Paris, and I know my data plan will not cover me there. To make sure I can still navigate, I need to download the Paris map ahead of time. Start by looking at the very top right corner of your screen, and go ahead and tap on your profile icon right there. Great. Now you should see a new settings menu pop up on your screen. Right under the location sharing option, you will spot a specific setting called Offline Maps. Go ahead and tap directly on that Offline Maps option. Google Maps usually defaults to saving your home area, but since we are traveling somewhere new, we will need to change that location. To pick a new area, simply tap on the text that says "Select your own map" at the very top. Now use your fingers to zoom in or out until your target city fits perfectly inside the blue rectangle. At the very bottom, it shows exactly how much storage space this will take up on your device. Mine is currently set to 290 megabytes. Just hit that download button at the bottom of the screen. While that map is safely downloading to your phone, take a quick second to hit the subscribe button down below to support the Phone Transformer channel. Okay, the download process is completely finished. Now, let's test the offline magic. Imagine you have arrived in Paris, you have zero internet, and absolutely no signal. To simulate this offline experience, I will swipe down from the top right of my screen and turn airplane mode on. Even though my phone is now completely disconnected from Wi-Fi and mobile data, I can still use the app. Let's head back to the main map view. All you need to do is go to the search bar, look for a specific area in Paris, and hit the directions button to choose your starting point. Because we already downloaded this specific area, Google Maps will default to using those offline maps instantly. You can easily navigate around and get full turn-by-turn voice navigation, just like you always do. I hope this helps you navigate safely anywhere in the world. Drop a like if this tutorial saved your trip, and stay tuned for more.